Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Devanshi. Today we'll learn simple but powerful ways to conserve water and protect our planet. So let's begin. How to conserve water? Fix the leaking tap to save water. Do not leave the tap open while brushing teeth or shaving. Do not pollute any water body because they are the main source of fresh water. Avoid bathing using a shower, use a bucket instead. Avoid draining water unnecessarily when cleaning cars, kitchen, balconies, etc. Store drinking water in clean and covered pots. Water used in kitchen for washing fruits and vegetables must be reused for activities like watering plants. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more educational content.